Good day, Ma'am and Sir. Hello, I'm Sonia Bueno. I'm 45 years old. I'm a single married with one children, age 21. My daughter is study of college, Bachelor of Science, Management, Tourism, 4 years. So next year she finish study, only 1 year she finish. I'm working here in Hong Kong almost 12 years as a housemaid. All my record is good. No break contract, no terminated. I'm recently working here with a Chinese family with 5 members, with 3 kids, 2 twins boys age 5 and 1 girl age 8. My finishing contract soon, October 3. My responsibilities and duty is mainly newborn or child care. The main priorities is safety of baby and children to making them secured and be happy. So I can work with someone or by myself. My preferred job is newborn or take care kids. I'm kind, trust, obedient, motivated, and reliable. I do household chores like cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, washing clothes, and tutoring children. I'm a great cleaning and cooking Chinese food where I can able follow any recipes well. I'm looking a happy and kind employer. So, thank you so much and God bless.